Good morning, students. Today I will start the new topic International Organization for Standardization or ISO. Now, what is ISO? ISO is a worldwide federation of national standard bodies, or the ISO are the collection of a formal international standard, technical specification, technical reports, handbooks, and web-based document on quality management. There are approximately 25 documents in the collection altogether, with a new and revised document being developed on an ongoing basis. That means it is ISO stands for International Standardization Organization, and it is an organization which standardize the things on international level, so things become easy to judge. For an example, go anywhere in the world, you will find an hour of means it is a 60 minutes. That means an hour it is means always it standard is a 60 minutes. Or go anywhere in the world, you will find 1 GB means it is 1024 MB. Then 1 GB, no one can violate these rules that USB drive is 1 GB means 512 MB. That means always 1 GB means 1024 MB. That means it is a one type of standardization, and many countries have adopted the ISO standard, and after adopting the standard, a country typically permit only ISO registered company to supply the goods and service to government agency and the public utilities. That means ISO is a stands for the stand in one type of international standardization organization. It is an organization which standardize the things on international level, so things become easy to judge. Now, what is ISO 9000? Actually, ISO 9000 is a family of quality based standard by the International Standardization Organization, or ISO 9000 series of standards are based on the premises that if a proper process is followed for production, then good quality products are bound to follow automatically. It is a in ISO 9000 family consists on 5 members, and from 9000, then 9001, 9004, 2, 9003, and 9004. All these family members are targeting the quality from different perspective, and they are applicable to different things and field of life. No one family member of ISO 9000 specific to any particular product. This is a family. That means the ISO 9000 family consists of 5 members from 9000 to 9004. Now, the discuss the ISO 9000 family member description of standard. First is ISO 9000. In ISO 9000 tells details about 9001, 9002, and 9003. Which one is best for you? 9001, ISO 9001. Actually, this is a deals with quality assuring design, development, installation, and maintenance. That means this standard applies to the organization which organization engage in design, development, production, and servicing of goods. This is standard that is applicable to most software development organization. That means the ISO 9001 standard is mainly used the software development organization, because the software development organization deals with the design, development, installation, and maintenance phase. The next is ISO 9002. Now, ISO 9002, these standards apply to those organizations which do not design products but are only involving production. That means this ISO 9002 is involved which do not design product but are only involving production. Example of this category of industry include steel and car manufacturing industry who buy the product and plan design for external sources and are involving only manufacturing those products. Okay, that means the ISO 9002 is mainly focused on steel and car manufacturing industry. Therefore, the ISO 9002 is not applicable to software development organization. Next is ISO 9003. This standard applies to organization involved only in installation and the testing testing of products. That means the ISO 9000 is involved the installation and the testing of products. And the last one is the ISO 9004. It defines the 20 concepts about the quality which are used in the above three standard, that is the 9001, 9002 and the 9003. And this is an ISO 9000 family member, the standards and description of each standards. Next, why is ISO certificate required by the software industry? There are many reasons. First, it is sign of customer confidence. That means the ISO standard is a sign of customer confidence. This certification has become a standard for internal bidding. Number two, it highlights the weakness and suggests the corrective measure for improvement. Number three, it makes the process for more focused, efficient, and cost effective. Number four, it is motivating factor for business organization. Number five, it helps in designing high quality repeatable software product. Number six, it facilitates the development of optional process and total quality measurement. And the number seven, it emphasizes the need for the proper documentation. That's why the ISO certification is very required for software industry. Now, ISO 9000 certification. Actually, the ISO 9000 certification is very essential for any particular product. The benefit of ISO 9000 certification, there are many benefits. We can say it's improve the customer satisfaction, it boosts the employee morale, it increase the employee participation, it's reduce the cost, it improve the profit level, etc. Now, how to get the ISO 9000 certification? This is not a one day process. It takes of time of month. That means it takes a 12 to 14 month usually. Now random steps are involved. That means how to get the ISO standard. That means how one company how to get the ISO 9000 standard. The first, the get the awareness about ISO 9000. We can say that is a application stage. That means first step is get awareness about the ISO 9000. After that, check to which 9000 family member your organization or product is relating. That means it will be the 9001, it will be the 9002, it will be the 9003 and 9005, and find out the proper ISO standard for your relating product. Next is get your staff trained to follow the quality standard. That is a very vital point. Get your employee, that means our staff, trained to follow the quality standard. After that, they follow the standard for some time. Next point is certification team will follow up your process. That means the certification team will come and follow your process. After that, after all the stage, you will get ISO 9000 certification. And this all process take time of 12 to 14 months usually. That means in this way we get the ISO 9000 certification. This is the general or generic steps that is follow the each and every company to get the ISO standard. Now this today we have learned that is what is ISO and how to get the ISO, then ISO family member, then what are the benefit in ISO and why use the ISO the software industry. And one thing remember, the ISO 9001 is mainly used to software organization, software development organization.